SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sitting at $14.56, like 15% down for the day. Looking at Serve Robotics, the only way which I would approach this market is the following. I'm going to zoom out and you can see like the chart that we see here. The only case, only way in which I would look for like a buying opportunity is going to be if there is breaks. First of all, I want to see one break above 1582, and not only one, but I would like to also see a second break. One is not enough. Two, that's enough, because then we're talking about a complete trend shift. So all I would love to see is just something like that. By the way, like, that's just my 2 cents. Obviously, don't listen to me and do your own due diligence. All I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy, and I'll get to you in the next video.